Guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how to set up Exness account on mobile. So let's get started. So what we need to do is, first thing is we need to download the Exness account. So we're going to go to our Play Store now. Once we go to our Play Store, we're going to search for Exness account. You open your Play Store. Once you go to your Play Store, what you need to do is come to the search button here. You're going to search for Exness account. Is it there? Now get it, so click on install. We're going to install it, so let's wait for it to install. Then after that, we're going to set it up. So let's get started. So we're going to wait for it. So guys, as we're waiting, please don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you guys. Okay, we need a little minute to set up finish it. Our Exness is being installing, so let's wait for it to install finish. Alright, good. So let's click on open. Okay, let's get started. This is it. This is how your apps will going to look like once downloaded finish. So let's wait for it to open finish, then we can set it up very easily. Okay, yeah, that's it. Now click on register. Okay, now so we can use our Google to register. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to use my Google to register. So I'm going to click on Google. Yeah, let's wait for it. This is it. Click on your Google account here. You can use other accounts. You can register directly, and if you have an account before, you can use your sign in. Then I'm going to use Google account to sign in here. So you have to choose an account. So I'm going to choose the account I wanted to use. Okay, so it's been setting up. So just follow the process and you're going to set up your Exness account very easily. You click on agree and share. Yeah, I think it's going, so you have to click it. After that, you can see it has been rolling here. So automatically Google have transfer information. Now you need to use click choose your country. So I'm going to search for the country here, guys. For that, yeah, let's search, and this is it. I'm going to click on my country here. I'm going to click this, click on continue. Then you need to put a password. So I'm going to write a password. So let's write some password there. Sorry guys. Okay, so click on continue once you are done. And this is it. We have successfully created our Exness account. It's very easy. It's good. It has been set up. So guys, if you find this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment and subscribe. See you in our next video.